Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of this IMP Pet in Grow Garden new very update. Okay, let's get inside guys. I just got this IMP Pet from hatching the enchanted egg, and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet. Will let me release this pet on my garden, and then I'm going to view the ability of this IMP Pet. I'm going to click on view here. Alright, and this is the ability. The IMP will playfully invite you to chase it, and catching the IMP will grant a random reward. And the IMP has a 15% to play again on successful chase. Okay, so basically if you want to get reward, you need to play with the IMP and you need to catch the IMP to get a reward. And the reward will be item from the gear shop. So basically it's like the pancake mole. It can give you something from the gear shop, but you need to play with this pet first to get the reward from the gear shop. And yeah, it's cool, but I think it's not so worth because you need to catch the IMP to get reward. And for pancake mole, you can get the reward without doing anything. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.